How are you? I think you are fine. Now it is lockdown, so you are at home, so you are safe. So now you are bored, so I am going to tell you a new recipe of watermelon juice. It is rich in protein and other fibers. Now first I have chopped the watermelons. We have to put in the jar. Then we have to take 2 spoon sugars and half spoon black salt. I am putting it. Salty and sugar flavor. And now I am putting mint little bit by hand chop. Now I am sneezing lemon. Now I am putting milk powder 2 tablespoons. Now I am going to grind it. Friends, I have put little bit water in between. Now I am making the So friends, if you want milk powder, so you can take milk powder. It is optional. Mint is, I have put mint.
Now I'll pour the juice. Wonderful.
For design, now I am putting mint. Wow,
wonderful. You can see, guys, how its texture was coming.